Hey buddy, do you know where Bob's gasoline alley is? What? No? Yeah, looks like this might be more of a driving tour of the Cuba Murals, but I got out for this one. Amelia Earhart coming to the city. Ooh, cool. First woman to fly across the Atlantic. Hey, that's kind of cool. What's up, everybody? Today is the first day of my epic road trip. I'm starting right now in Cuba, Missouri at the Wagon Wheel Motel. Got a little half shot there. Oh, look. So caution, driver has one eye. Ooh, and wasp on board. Okay. That was one skinny road. Just met Bob. Sweet. Yeah, I think this is a take from Car Talk. Do we treat him and how? Howie. I guess I've seen one of these pumps before. City service. Interesting. John Deere. Grandpa's restaurant. Texas Moto. He's got a big collection here. This gentleman here. Okay, this is funny. Definitely funny. And we got Martin's Milk. Film 66. Ooh, Falstaff. Friend Bros. I can't remember when these pumps were still being used. We got Noble Gas, Sinclair, and Bob has his own little sign up there. This guy's got a lot of pumps and donkeys. Well. Well, I'll be damned. The second largest rocking chair. Yeah, it's like it is pretty big. And it says Route 66. Remember when I was in Caseyville, Illinois? Yeah, I think their chair beat this one. But it's still one heck of a big rocking chair. Wow. Alright. I had to say this is probably my first tourist tap of the day. Guess where I'm at? Just take a guess. I'm in Uranus. The pie joke capital of the world. Uranus, Missouri. That's pretty cool. Nothing unusual here. Ooh. I got some unusual pets, but look at the teeth on that guy. Uranus Police Department. Ooh. He's been sitting there a while. Definitely don't want to go there. I don't know what that is, but it's interesting. Wow. You know, I like free stuff. Or Lebanon Museum. Looks like we have a model of Lebanon back in 1940. And we're looking at early motoring. The restaurant of the past. I think I've been in here before. Back in the day, they had this sign over the highway entering and exiting the town. Got a little switchboard, tourist cabin. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice for a tourist cabin. Stay tuned for Gary's Gay Parida and Cars on 66. See you later. Bye.